No. ఓకే అండి. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవరీవన్. So online students, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. So maybe notes is pending, I think, right? So 1 minute, I'll add it and I'll start it anyway. 1 minute. Yesterday I used a callable, right? Right. So the notes is ready. Two programs are pending, I think. So diagram I'm attaching as it is, whatever I drawn there. Like this. Yesterday's program available there. And a diagram I loaded separately. This one. You can cross check it. Okay. Uh, Let me go forward for today's class. Right. So let me repeat the class once. What has been happened yesterday for 5 minutes here. So we are under third JDBC statement known as a callable statement. Callable statement will support to execute procedure and functions indirectly. Procedure and function both are set of queries only. Set of queries executed on database product. Set of queries executed on database product at a time, like a procedure. After execution has been completed, it returns a value if it is a function. It will not return a value if it is a procedure. That only basic difference between procedure and function. Yesterday, I took one program where I created three database tables. I created. After creating these three database tables, one small 5 minutes flow, because I drawn diagram for statement, I drawn diagram for prepare statement, and small flow I'll keep in callable statement. Then your document will be good. So yesterday I took three tables has been taken. So customer 61 I taken, where uh, account number is there, name is there, balance is there, and account type is there. So this is one table. We created one table. So this is one table you had it. So this is customer data 61. So account number is the primary key. I had city, state, and pin code. And pin code. So this is one table. I had it. The table I had it. So this is customer address. Customer address 61. Customer contact, one more table is there. Account number, mail ID, and phone number. 1243789. So like this. customer contact 61. After creating 3 tables, I created one procedure. I created one procedure here. One procedure has been created with 9 parameters. One procedure created with 9 parameters. Procedure name is bank customer 61. Bank customer 61. This is one procedure. This is one procedure. Here I took some variables here. Variables are account number, name, and so on. I took account number, name, balance, account type, city, state, P code I taken, mail ID I taken, phone number I taken. Like this. So these are the parameters I taken. Parameters. So these are all in parameters. So in parameters means into the procedure, they're going to take the data. They're going to take the data. So these parameters are going to take the data. This is in. This is in parameter. This is in parameter. This is in parameter. Like this. So inside this, we had insert queries available. All are insert queries available here. So this is procedure. According to your PLSQL trainer, he says we are storing this procedure in the database and available in the database. So you can call it as stored procedure. You can say tables are available there and procedure also available there. So he called it as stored procedure, stored and available. It's called stored procedure. Nothing but a procedure. When a procedure is stored permanently and available in the database, we call it as stored procedure. Whenever I want to do some actions to this database tables, I will run this procedure. This procedure will insert the data to 3 tables. The only concept. Now, to run this procedure yesterday, first we are reading all the data to local variables. We are reading the data to local variables. So we are reading the data to some local variables. We are reading the data. Sir, account number is equal to 612345 6. Name is equal to some Raj I taken. Balance is equal to 12,000. Account type is equal to savings. like this. I am reading 9 data values from the console. We are reading the data from console. Console input. We are reading the data from your console input. We are reading the data. Now this data should come to these tables. Local variable data should come to these tables. Local variable data cannot come to database directly. So load the data to callable statement object. First, you have to load the data to callable statement objects. You have to load it. Callable statement object, you have to load it. So for this, we are creating callable statement object. After database connection has been completed, we are creating one callable statement object. Create. So here one object created 0x sum 4. This is one callable statement object. Here we have here calling the procedure with how many parameter indexes now? 9 parameter indexes. So here 9 fields are created. Developer visual, there are 9 fields created here. 9 fields created. Nine fields. Now the data is loaded here. Account number loaded here. You know this concept now? Right. So name loaded here. Like this, we are loading the data. Remaining all dot, dot, dot. You understood already. It is like a prepared statement concept only. So the data is accommodated here. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Raj. Like this. 12,000. Sir, savings account. Some city is Hyderabad. State is Telangana state. And here some pin code 506. And here mail ID r at the rate of and 9898 roughly. Now the data are inserted from this callable statement call. The data will go. I am finish offing the diagram anyway. Each one is one field. Now the data will come and load here. That only concept. So each one will come and load to your processor. You understood, no? Right. Dot, dot, dot. whatever the local variable data loaded to callable statement object, whenever I run here, execute one method is there, no cs dot execute one method. Whenever I say cs dot execute, then the procedure is called and pass the parameter like your method call. So in our language, we had no ob dot add 12 comma 13 the same way. We are calling the procedure and giving the data. Immediately, this procedure will take all this data and run these three queries at a time. At a time meaning is always not parallel. Drink this water at a time, meaning is lift the bottle, drink total water and keep the bottle down. That is known as at a time. At a time is not parallel. Remember the statement. At a time is not. If it is a parallel, your other will write parallel only. He will not write at a time. So at a time means whenever 500 ml water, I ask you to drink at a time. Means what? Lift the bottle, finish off that bottle and keep it. That's called at a time. Don't stop in the middle. That's the meaning of at a time. If I give 100 instructions also, compiler will compile all the statements at a time. Meaning is start with one, don't stop in the middle, end with 100. That is known as at a time, not parallel here. So they will run at a time. At a time means if I given some queries here, it starts with one, ends with last. That's called at a time. All of you understood now? Sir, what is the advantage of here now? If callable statement not available, you can run this program with a prepared statement also. But you must create three prepared statement objects you have to create. One object for insert into customer data, one object for customer address, one object into customer contact, three different prepared statements you have to create. Instead of creating three objects, why don't you create one object? The time will be saved or not now? Three object creation time will not be equal to one object creation. That only the other side. If we take a callable statement, some execution time will be saved, performance will come. TLSQL engineers and Oracle, some people will put a career as Oracle also. Who knows PLSQL correctly? Jobs are available. Only PLSQL jobs will come. Your management nowadays, slack is there. Means nowadays the placements are not coming, but 1 year, 2 years back, and here also notice will come. One company is coming, visiting, applied. That situation is there here also. But nowadays situation not bad. Sorry, not bad. And worst is there today. So because management also not bringing the companies, recruitment is very less, market already. Previously, they used to recruit on PLA skill also. If anybody interested in PLA skill, you can come for recruitment. Management used to call open batches, 100% placement batches, all they used to call it. So only PLA skill engineers also available. The reason they'll collect all the queries and they store the procedure here. Developer will call one object creation, load the data and run it. Some execution time will be saved, high performances will come. All of you understood in parameter procedure, the procedure which take the data from Java program and load the data to database product. So this is yesterday's program. Notes now I added. Right. Right. See this. Reading all local variable datas and loading into callable statement and executing the procedure. If anything goes wrong, the control will come to catch block. So point. Right. Take one example, one more example. Construct procedure. Construct procedure to display bank customer details based on based on account number. Construct procedure to display bank customer details based on account number. If I give a account number, remaining details must be displayed. Now I'm using in-out parameter procedure I'm using. Means in is account number, out is remaining all. Remaining all data should come out. So step 1. Step 1. Construct procedure. Construct procedure to retrieve customer details. Construct procedure to retrieve customer details. To retrieve customer details. If anybody's, while you're typing procedure, if anybody got error, procedure created with warnings, you'll get it normally. So there is a problem in procedure writing, spellings, database tables, spaces, commas. You have to select, you see correctly and do it. That created with warning means not created, that is. Okay, right. Now procedure I am taking here. Same procedure only, I'll change the name here. Look here. Here I am taking retrieve customer, I am taking RETRIEVE. 2 minutes, don't write it, I'll be writing, observe it. Retrieve customer, it is not insert query, now it is select query anyway. RETRIEVE, retrieve customer 61. Same parameters only. So this only available in 3 tables. Account number is in parameter. Remaining are out. Whenever it is an out parameter, you must write out. So name is out parameter, balance is out parameter, account type is out parameter, city is out parameter, and state is out parameter, pin code is out parameter, and mail ID is also out parameter. Phone number also out parameter, means based on the account number, remaining all coming out. Whenever you want to say or whenever you want to specify, it is a out parameter. You must write out, OUT out, name out, balance out, means BL variable out, A type variable out, city out. I am not writing here out for account number, mean that is in parameter. That's the meaning. If you don't write anything, that is in parameter. Now we are taking select query. We are taking a select query. Why select query means you have to take the details outside, no? Right, like this. So I am taking from customer details. Where is this? Right. I am taking from customer data. From customer data, I must take name, I must take balance, I must take account type. These 3 I must bring it from customer data. So select name, select balance, select account type. That's the way of writing. See there, I am writing select name, comma, balance, comma, account type into, means they are selecting into the variables. Here out parameter variables are there now. So select name, balance, account type into name, balance, and a type into name, balance, and a type. The meaning, these are all column names. From that column, load the data to these variables. That's the meaning of load the area to these variables. Now, from where you are loading now, sir, customer data 61, where where account number is equal to your A number is available or not now? AC number, like this, based on the account number. Select name, balance, account type into NM, DL, A type from customer data 61. where account number is equal to AC number. This AC number is nothing but this one variable. So here, account number, you have to cross check the spellings. Account number. This is the first one. What is the second one now? Sir, I want to bring customer address, city, state, and pin code. I must bring it. Select city. Select city here. Select city, state, pin code into. So city, I written CTY. State, I written ST. And the pin code, I written P code variables from customer address. Customer address 61, where account number is equal to AC number. All of understood the second one now, right? Select city, state, pin code into CTY, ST, pin code from customer address 61, where account number is equal to account number. The last one here. Column names important, no? MID, PH number. Select MID and PH number. Select MID, PH number into MD, comma, and P number from customer, customer contact 61, where account number is equal to AC number, like this. All of understood this procedure, right? Let me cross check whether it is compiled successfully or not. If it is not compiled, means some typing mistake I done. The meaning. Connect system tiger. Procedure created without any spellings. I created here. So commit. Right. Now write this procedure once. I'll give a time to you once. Create or replace procedure. Retrieve customer 61. Right. Construct JDBC application to execute procedure. Construct JDBC application to execute procedure. Right. Look here. I am running the procedure now. Before that, this procedure so retrieve customer. This is RETRIEV. Retrieve customer 61. Among this, sir, this is in parameter. Remaining all out parameters. We keep the arrows outside. So remaining all out parameter. Out parameter. So these are all out parameters. These are all select queries. Already data is inserted here. Whatever the data that is inserted here already. 612. Name some Raj. Balance 12,000. And savings. Like this data inserted. Like this data already inserted here. These are all insert queries inserted. But now we are using retrieve queries. So retrieve queries means the data should come out. So from here, data will come to first query. From here, the data will come to second query. From here, the data will come to third query. These are all select. Now, when the select means taking from there only, no, right? And we are putting the data outside. When this procedure taking the data from the database and giving to Java program cannot hold the data to variable directly. First, you have to record into the object. Remember this point. The data should come and record to the object. Again, the callable statement will collect that. The callable statement is going to collect it. Okay, right. Now I'm writing the program. Observe it. JDBC application 8. I'm taking. JDBC application 8, procedure 2, roughly. So add the jar file. Right. Create one package. So package always I'll take test. Delete this module info. Right click on test, new and class. Sir dbcon 8. Import java.util. Import java.sql. Of system.in. Always I'll write try of resource. Now here, try catch exception E. System.out.println. I am writing E dot to string method like this. Now here, system.out.println. Enter account number to retrieve customer details. Account number is long. Long account number is equal to s dot next long. I must connect the database anyway. Creating connection. Right. Here, callable statement. Callable statement CS is equal to con dot prepare call. Double quotes. Open flower bracket, close the flower bracket. You have to call the procedure. So call RETRIEVE, retrieve customer 61. How many parameter index? 9 parameter index. What is this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parameter indexes. Same like above diagram only, one small difference. Sir, we are creating callable statement object because data should come now. Sir, again 9 parameter indexes. Again, 9 parameter indexes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So anyway, like above diagram, I'm connecting this. Now, our target is, see there. Whenever I say execute, if I say the data should come and record here. It has to record here. The data will come and record into callable. It has to record. Whenever it want to record, it will not record directly. See there. First, CS1 set long parameter index 1. First, I am reading one account number no here. Right. One account number I am reading. Sir, I am reading one account number from the console. I am reading one account number from the console. Account number 612345. Something, whatever I inserted. So this is console. Console in. Sir, I am setting this here. Sir, I am setting. So 612, I am setting. This one okay. Understood is fine now, right? Now the data should come and record here now. For that, for the parameter index 2, what kind of data is recorded? What will come and record here? Name. Name will come. Name is what type now? According to Java program string, according to database varchar. Parameter index 3 balance. Parameter index 4 is account type. The same way, city, state, pin code, mail ID, phone number. Now they must record here. Now I must run one method and say that what kind of data is going to be recorded here. What kind of data is going to be recorded here? I must say. For that, I had a method known as register out parameter. One new method I am introducing. CS dot register out parameter index 1. Register English meaning is record. Record out parameter value. Record out parameter value to parameter index 2. Record to parameter index 2. What type of data you should record there? You must say in the context of SQL, you must say types dot varchar. You're going to record what now? Varchar. So moment. Register out parameter value. Type is varchar for the parameter index 2. All have understood this statement now. If you run that method, what happened is whatever the field created here, the field will be specified. This field is going to record the data of varchar. That's the meaning. Now that memory will be waiting for that data. Like this, you must say for all. For all that parameter indexes, you must say. Now here CS dot register out parameter 3. You are going to record there. Types dot float you are going to record. Balance no, you're going to record what now? Float. CS dot register out parameter for here types. Types dot you're going to record your varchar there because account type is coming. Now CS dot register out parameter 5 here types dot varchar is coming. Now CS dot register out parameter 6 here types dot varchar is coming. City state next pin code CS dot register out parameter. So 7 what is coming now here pin code is coming integer indirectly. So types dot integer you can write. CS dot register out parameter 8. Here types dot varchar is coming because mail ID. Now CS dot register out parameter phone number is coming. Phone number is very big now. Types dot big int. One concept is there. Big int means biggest among your integer. All of understood these methods? Like this, you must specify them. Specify means saying what kind of data. Specification. So here, all parameter index fields are specified what type of data is coming. What type of data is coming. The specification is given. Once the specification over, then we write. Then we execute. CS dot execute we say. Then procedure executed. Procedure executed. When the procedure is executed, the data will come and record here. Now, whatever the data are there, this is in parameter. This is in parameter. Arrow is coming here now, first one. Right. Based on this in parameter account number 612, the queries will run now. Select name, balance, account type into these variables from customer data where account number is equal to 612. Now the data will come out. What are the data coming out? The data will be recorded here. The record back. I'm drawing roughly. In the last batch, one student asked me this question also. Sir, you given arrows not correctly. Any problem, sir? That is one diagram, no? Arrows not given also one question to me. One student asked that question also to me. Sorry, arrows you not given problem, not correctly. Any problem? That is small. Diagram not needed, but I am a core Java flavored trainer, no? Opening banana and I'm asking you to eat it. So slowly. Why means the processor playing key role in the real time. I only must teach some manual things. After me, all frameworks only know. Connect here, download here, running a Kema, go, they'll say. They'll give one handouts. They'll give it. You go to Spring and the trainer will not spend this much of time. Over. Spring. That is framework, no? Handouts will be there, printouts will be there. If not, one soft copy will come. So finish. So at least core advanced LKG, UKG, no? This one. Some manual patterns will be there more. Look here. Hope you understood. It is registering back. Inter equals also there. Register out parameter. Moreover, out parameter procedure, if you execute it, where the data is available. Inter equation is there. The data is available in the callable statement object. It comes and record in the callable statement object. It comes and records here data. So here the data will come. Raj will come. Some 12,000 will come. Savings account will come. It is coming and recording back again. So here Hyderabad will come. Telangana state and some 506 and mail ID are the at the rate some 9898. Okay. Now the data is available there. There is a visual. When the data is available in the callable statement object, you display from here. How you will display now? CS dot. Whenever you want to get the data from the object, getter methods are there, no? Right. CS dot get string from parameter index 2. Get float from parameter index 3. Get string from parameter index 4. That is a visual. Answer will come. That is a proof to say that the data are in the callable statement object. The details I'm displaying here, see there. So system dot out dot println customer details. Here I'm printing anyway. System dot out dot println. Here account number. I'm displaying account number. Account number you entered from the keyboard only anyway. Okay, right. So I am displaying. So name I am displaying. Whenever you want to display name, simply you can say cs dot get string from parameter index. Can you see that comment here now? Parameter index. There is a proof to say that the data are available there. So parameter index 2. Balance. CS dot get float parameter index 3. Account type is dot get string parameter index 4. City cs dot get string parameter index 5. State cs dot get string parameter index 6. Pin code dot get long parameter index 7. Mail ID cs dot get string parameter index 8. Now phone number get long parameter index 9. All of you understood? The data is recorded back to your callable statement. Okay, right. So con dot to close. Can I run the program? Right, okay. Yesterday's input was 61235. So run it. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Data came or not now? Just been retrieved. Suppose if I enter wrongly here, some 4, 3, 2, 1. No data because I use a two string method now because exception name plus message. No data found. Right. These messages I'll convert into correct messages in servlet programming. Not here in servlet programming, the messages I'll convert. They're exception handling in server and we write it. If I can write here also, but it becomes a core Java knowledge. If I write here, it looks like a core Java because main method is there. Nothing but repeating core Java chapter, wasting time now. If you write in the server programming, at least you'll understand server based code writing, you'll understand because always we write messages, correct messages in the server code, second unit. Here, two string method is there, that message will come anyway. Right. So enter correctly 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway. So this is your output. Program name. Program name now dbcon 8. dbcon 8.java. Right. All of you understood yesterday's program and today's program? Right. So this is a diagrammatical form. I'll add this diagram to you once again. The diagram. It is taking the data from Java program and through procedure sending to database. Again, you're taking from the database and recording back to your callable statement. That is a diagram, right? So these procedures are from your database only. Terminology according to your PLSQL trainer, stored procedure, he will say. Because that is stored in database, available permanently for you, known as stored procedure. So run this program and come. And meanwhile, one statement to you. Already you are observing that notice boards anyway, but meanwhile, I'm showing this because of management. Screening test is there now for you. Have you observed the notice board or not? This is the present. So somebody will ask us what is the difference between 100% placement batch and these batches. They'll ask 100% because now you'll understand if I speak it. In the demo class, if I speak also, they will not understand. 100% placement batch means student monitoring is available. Means student has to give the attendance. Student has to maintain 85 plus attendance track record. They'll conduct some examinations. He has to participate and some extra like communication skills, some other skills. They will train it. Student has to be there for almost 8 hours per day. Like college, they must be there. That is 100% placement batch. Our batches are not 100% placement batch. Student interested batches. Sorry, if I am interested, I'll come. Right? I'll go home. I'll work it. Subject point of view, no difference. Subject same will be there. Only here student monitoring not available. We don't know about you. We don't know your names, your backgrounds. We don't know. There, every student, they have to give the details. Now, for me also, subject